We have gone from almost 100% reactive to about 60% proactive. In the last year, we use projects called PM Blitzes, where we use an AI bot that our IT person developed in Teams chat to look at our ERP data, to look at our schedule, and look for gaps in the production, so we can optimize those gaps to then assign our work orders to those projects for the next week. And then our team of technicians has a much clearer list of what absolutely must be done and when it can be done. We have a client that has a parts order and hold on, and has had a parts order and hold on since VM 2025. And we were running out of spare parts and wear parts and critical repair parts. And so I was able to look at previous 24 months of purchase history and parts use history for all of the equipment that's in that room, which includes 3 ovens and a couple of flow wrappers and a bunch of conveyance and a bunch of other things. So a lot of different assets over a 24-month period prior to that stoppage on us purchasing, and project out not only what we would need to basically keep the machines running for the next year, but also then showcase, hey, these are inventory assets that we have bought on your behalf in the past and are still holding on to because you had asked us to. And it is a not small sum of money.